Alright, so make sure to check out my previous video on Mangohud. My previous video is still relevant. The reason why I create this video here is to show you a straightforward installation for store and website, so that both of your games, wherever you install from, will have the FPS counter. But again, if it doesn't work for you, use my previous video on your FPS counter. Okay, so let's start by installing the launcher first. We are going to install Heroic. Heroic on the store is stable, so we're going to go into Heroic in the store, make sure it is flathub and install it. Okay, so now once you're done, then we will install Steam. Steam will install on the website because it is stable, more stable than the store. So this is how you install, how you download from the website, and then run anyway. Now it will use your local folder that you just downloaded to install. Okay, now once you're done, go into software updater and update your Linux. So in this free desktop platform, search for Mangohud and install it. Okay, now you go into the terminal and put in this code, choose the latest version. This will allow your Mangohud to connect to the store, which if you put in, if it says it's already there, then it's fine. So now go into the Heroic, into the game you need, go to the settings, enable Mangohud in others, and now you play. If you want to do it for all games, then you go into these settings here, others, enable Mangohud, and all games that you start in the Heroic will start Mangohud. Now here you use Synaptic Package Manager under Zorin OS, install it. This is the easiest way to install things online from the website itself. So use Synaptic Package Manager. It will be like installing through the terminal, you know, sudo apt get, all those things. So this is the GUI version. So to make it easier, we search for Mangohud and then select Mangohud, mark for installation, and mark it and install. So this is one of the official way you can install it. Okay, so now once you've done it, go into Steam properties on the game you want and go to general launch options and type in this code in order for your FPS counter to start. Alright, so now when you open Steam, you'll see the counter is there, and when you play the game, everything just works. go in terminal, put in this code to open the folder, and you'll find this. Now you right click on this mangohud.example, extract to, and put into the downloads. But if it fails, like how you see here, then you see it doesn't work. So what you've got to do is you need to copy it, paste it in downloads or somewhere else, right click, extract to also will not work, so you just need to double click inside and right click and extract it, then it will work. Because the zip doesn't work properly, copy this file .com.example mangohud.com.example, and then go into .config in the homes and create a folder of Mangohud. You must write exactly the name and paste it inside, rename it, remove .example, go inside and remove whichever stats, like GPU stats, remove the hashtag, and now you can see the counter in your FPS counter. Please like, subscribe and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber Amos signing out.